We at Imperial College, we believe nurturing tomorrow's leader is our aim. Good management education is about encouraging the students to explore, experiment, and also experience. In Imperial, we practice all these three.
Imperial is unique among world's top management colleges. We are located in Bangalore, offering Executive MBA, MBA and BBM courses which are affiliated to University of Bangalore and Mysore University.
Bangalore being the hub of information technology sector and multinational companies, it is easier for an MBA graduate to get good opportunities. At Imperial, we have a highly motivated and trained faculty which goes out of the way to reach the students. We have a very supportive infrastructure and students who are handpicked through different kinds of selection methods.
We are having students from different parts of India, especially from northeastern part of India, from Arunachal, from Meghalaya, from Mizoram, and also there are a lot of students from southern part of India, from Andhra, from Tamil Nadu. Last year we had a set of students who came from some other countries like Singapore and Malaysia. They visited our college. They learned the culture very well.
We give a lot of importance of industry orientation. That is the reason every week we invite the industry leaders to our campus. They interact with these industry leaders and learn their experiences and their organization.
Keeping in mind the current scenario, changes in management education is a must. In that, the extracurricular activities plays a very crucial role, like extempore, debate competitions, theatre, industrial visits, team game, all these are a must in today's management education. And even the corporates are trying these techniques to improve their employee skills, so we are just following it.
We have international association with Cambridge University, London, where our students are having an opportunity to take a long-term internship program in the university.
We teach them through role plays, case studies. We also emphasize on the soft skill training from the very first semester. We encourage them to go for part-time jobs to improve their practical knowledge. We also encourage them to go for research which improve their roots, their strengths.
The course content, what we build in Imperial College for the students, is more of practical sessions from which our students will benefit in the future to adapt in any organization culture.
I am pursuing MBA from Imperial College of Business Studies. I am really glad and excited to experience the industry exposure of being the student of this college.
Our college motivates us by taking us to different industrial visits like MREVA, Mysore Sandal Soap, stock market, in order to expose us how a corporate world works.
The placement is the first priority at Imperial. We at Imperial, every individual, whether it is a dean, director, faculty, placement coordinators, admin staff, the priority is placing student at top companies. So for that, we start working from the day one of the student who join at Imperial.
First, we have our own HR consultancy named as Global Career Solutions for placement. Secondly, our Alumni Association is very strong, which gives good opportunities to our own students. Third is our placement cell, which goes out of the way with the help of our student representatives to reach out the corporate. And moreover, sitting in Bangalore, it is not very much difficult to get the students placed.
With the existing multinational companies in Bangalore, the opportunities for managers is rising.
I proudly say that we are the part of AIMA, that is All India Management Association.
Effective leadership begins with self-awareness. At ICBS, you will learn your strengths and how to apply them in the real world.
Imperial ignites the fire that spreads globally.
It's a learning experience.
On the behalf of entire team, we welcome you to the Imperial College for a great experience.
இம்பீரியல் காலேஜுக்கு அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறோம்.
ഇംപീരിയൽ കോളേജിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം.
ഇംപീരിയൽ കോളേജിലേക്ക് ഹൃദയപൂർവ്വം ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു.
Imperial College की सुस्वागतम.
ഇംപീരിയൽ കോളേജ് में आपका स्वागत है.